Hey, what's up? It's Maria. I want to talk with you about simplification. I recently have thought a lot about this because I've been creating a really cool Instagram profile. I feel like I'm excited about it. You know how it's created that every post connects with the other, so there's an overall wall that there's no separation, and that it belongs together, so kind of like an art piece itself that is ever evolving, and I really enjoy it. But I have found that I am less inclined to be spontaneous, so I've been recently thinking about that. I'm noticing it, and therefore I have decided that I'm going to open it up, loosen it up, simplify my life, not create more complications, because sometimes all it takes is that I have to then create the artwork, download it, split it, you know. Every time if I would do a live or I would do a post, I would have to then name it beforehand. I can't be really free to not plan and I like to be quite spontaneous and flexible, so I've decided that. I was wondering, is this now the situation of not being consistent with something? Perhaps, but at the same time evolving, and it's evolving, so therefore I'm evolving, and I'm noticing how I want to simplify even more rather than give myself more work that only holds me back from sharing the message that I need to. And I may come back with it because it's been fun, and actually I would love to see it evolve more, but what's more important is that I am more free to share and connect with you. Therefore, this is an inspiration, or whether it's an inspiration to you or not, I don't know, but it's supposed to act as a reminder, perhaps. How can you simplify your life? What are you perhaps complicating, or what has been really useful for a while but now seems to be holding you back? I think that's a good one, because sometimes we think when we change and we try to simplify, it doesn't mean that the thing that you did before wasn't helpful, because what I did there was really helpful. It actually kept me excited to continue. But now I'm just at a different stage where I want to open it up without, putting myself down to having to do anything. So let's see, like, I'm gonna keep it loose, but I just want to keep it looser and freer. So yeah, think about that. What might you be doing right now that has been useful before but isn't actually useful now anymore, and actually holds you back from being more free, from doing and connecting with your audience, connecting with your art buyers, art collectors, with gallerists, for example. I mean, the opportunities that you have right now are endless. If you wanted to connect to more gallerists, you can go and do that. You don't even need to think about like the perfect feed. But people want to see who's the person behind your art. And so the more you connect in your way of connecting, the better. So how can you free yourself up to do that? So that's just for me today, and wish you a wonderful weekend as well. Bye.